Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this electronic touchscreen door lock. Okay, these smart locks are pretty fun to work with. We have quite a few on our house and we like them a lot. Some are fingerprints, some are keypad, but with the keys, they all come with the keys too, so that's nice just in case the battery doesn't work or whatever. So we have the key set there, we have the little stopper for the door jamb there. We have our bolt, little Allen key with some screws, and then we have our handle. That is really solid. That feels like commercial grade there. Basically just a solid chunk of metal there. That's going to be pretty impressive. So I'm going to be installing this for you, my friends. And here is the outside portion. Seems like really really beefy and strong. This seems like it's going to be a nice addition. I'm going to be putting this on my tree house out in the backyard. So I'll be doing an install for you all there. Okay, let me get this back in the box. I'll take it out there in the back and show you how to install it. Okay, yeah, those are the steps. 0, 0, 0, 0. This all has to be done really quick. So I was just kind of waiting. You can't wait, you just got to go. So the 6 zeros, the pound, the hashtag sign, and then press 1 and hashtag sign. Just wait for the beep after that. Put in your code and hashtag, it beeps. Then put in the same code and hashtag again, it beeps again, and then it should be able to open. So here we go. Activate the pad. There we go, 4 7s, and it's open and super easy to do. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And if we want to set another one, I'll try another one here if I can. It should have default code, delete user code, and change a programming code. So if I want to change a programming code, I can change that too. So right now the default is 0 0 0, and we want to change that to something else. Okay, so super easy to change that. Just follow the steps to change the user code. You just input the password and then just do real quick the steps. Wait for the green light and then just keep going. And we can also unlock this with our key. Just turn it up like that and it works really nice. Super smooth. And there we have it. Now it's locked. I put in my code and the hashtag, and it opens right up. All right, my friends, so super happy with this. Install was really easy. This is super strong feeling. The code works, the keypad's really responsive. I really like that. Keys work nice. Everything was really top notch about this. Sorry it took a little bit longer on the coding thing, but I was just doing it wrong. So you gotta do it right and it works perfectly. Really happy with this. I like this seems like super sturdy, like industrial strength. This is like solid metal. And anyways, have a great day, my friends.